Alright, this is my 2012 F10 528 xDrive sitting on H&RLoweringsprings. As you can see, I blacked out everything. No chrome, no chrome. The wheel gap is pretty good. It's not bad. See, no chrome. Just had this put on like 2 days ago. The wing up top. Even the emblem. BMW emblem blacked out. So down here in the bumper, reflectors blacked out. Trying to hold the daggone camera. As you can see, put the front lip on there a couple days ago too. Yeah, came out real good. Paint shop do that for me. Got them paint that up and everything for me. As you can see, I took that out. They had two uprights in the middle. I cut those out. I didn't like that. I think it looks a whole lot better like that. And like I said, with the H&RLoweringsprings on it, car been riding good. Been riding like this for 2 years now. Well, not 2 years, 1 year. And no shock or strut issues. Car riding good. Got some updates coming. Be posting another video probably about a day or two from now with some more updates on the car.